Hi everyone, in this video we will be crocheting the moss stitch. You can find the written tutorial down below. For this stitch you'll want any even number for your beginning chain. And then in the fourth chain from the hook we are going to make one single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain, and then single crochet into the next chain. So that's the pattern we're following all the way across. Chain 1, skip 1, and then single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. So go ahead and do that all the way across. You should end up with a single crochet in your very last chain. Here I am at the end of row 1. I do have one single crochet in that very last chain. For row 2, we're going to turn our work, chain up 2, and then now we are just going to work into the chain 1 spaces. So here's our first space. You can see the chain here, and this is the space below it. We are going to work a single crochet into that space. Chain 1, and then we are going to work another single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So here's our single crochet, and then here's our chain 1 space. Chain 1, find our next chain 1 space, and work a single crochet into it. And that is the pattern we are following all the way across. Chain 1, and then working single crochets into the chain 1 spaces. So go ahead and do that all the way across for row 2. Here I am near the end. I just made a single crochet into a chain 1 space. I'm going to chain 1, and it gets a little jumbled here, but I know here is my single crochet and then that beginning chain. So I'm just going to make a single crochet into that beginning chain space. Just like that. And then all we're going to do is repeat row 2. So chain 2, single crochet into that chain 1 space, chain 1, find the next chain 1 space, single crochet, and then we're just going to repeat that. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and we're going to do that all the way down the row. And then at the very end here you will see the chain 2 from the beginning, and we're going to make that single crochet right into that space for the very last stitch in the row. So like I said, all you have to do is repeat row 2 until you have the height that you need. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today. And if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.